What's up, family? I'm Samuel Ellis. But around here, they call me Coach Clarity. Some people call me the glue man. This shop isn't about fixing cars, it's about fixing confusion. Because most people don't have an income problem, they've got a clarity problem. So if your money looks good on paper, but feels messy in real life, pull up a chair. Let's get some clarity, right? I spent years in the asphalt business. And one thing I learned fast is this: cracks don't heal on their own. They get either fixed or they get worse. I can't tell you how many driveways and parking lots I looked at where the owner said, it's not that bad yet. And they wasn't lying yet. But water has already started getting in. And once water gets under asphalt, the surface is already on borrowed time. They didn't need a full replacement, they needed attention early. Here's the lesson most people miss. Silk coating doesn't fix cracks. It protects what's already solid. And money works the same way. More income doesn't fix confusion. It just covers it for a while. I see people every day making good money, but avoiding the small issues, subscriptions they don't track, debt they don't want to look at. Sometimes they even have debt they don't even know about. How about that one? Business that kind of work. That's water under the surface. And then one day it's not a crack anymore. It's a pothole. If this made sense to you, do me a favor, please. Drop a word clarity in the comment. I read them all. If you want help looking under the hood before things get worse, that's what we do. No pressure, just clarity.